Hazrat Abu Ishaq Shaybani reports that Hazrat Ibn Abi Awfa radiyallahu anhu said, "We were on a journey with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to a man, 'Alight and mix up some parched barley flour with water for me.' He submitted, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the sun.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Dismount and mix up some parched barley flour with water for me.' He submitted, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the sun.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Dismount and mix up some parched barley flour for me.' He dismounted and mixed up some parched barley flour with water for him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam drank it, then signaled with his hand to that side and said, 'When you see that the night is descending from this side, the fasting person should break the fast.' Jarir and Abu Bakr bin Aish corroborated him from Shaybani that Hazrat Ibn Abi Awfa said, 'I was on a journey with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.' Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1941.